प्रकृति प्रेम की इबारत ग्रीन डोनर।
My heartfelt Prakati Pranam to the most revered Shri V.G. Sahib, the esteemed ecologist, environmentalist, national flag bearer Haratveer Fahini, green donor EERC India. Greetings to all brothers and sisters, Prakati Pranam, and you are watching Green Inspiration, where we explore every aspect of nature in depth. Today, under the guidance of V.G. Sahib, we discuss a very important topic, the natural environment. This isn't just about the greenery and wildlife around us, but is also the foundation of our life and existence. Let's understand what it is and our responsibility towards it. What is the natural environment? The natural environment includes everything we have received on earth: land, water, air, vegetation, and wildlife. The most crucial part is biosphere, where life is possible. The natural environment provides us with air to breathe, water essential for life, and food that fulfills all our needs. But have you ever thought about how complex and balanced it truly is? Components of natural environment. The natural environment has four main components. First, air. Essential not only for breathing but also for controlling weather, climate, and temperature. Second, water. Around 71% of Earth is covered by water. Rivers, oceans, lakes, and groundwater resources are significant parts of the hydrosphere, essential for all forms of life. Third, land. Where plants grow, humans and other animals live. It is the foundation for our food and shelter. Fourth, biosphere. The sum of all living beings on earth. All these components are interconnected and interdependent. Importance of natural environment. The importance of natural environment goes beyond environmental balance. It plays a role in combating climate change, oxygen production, and carbon absorption. For instance, forests are called the lungs of the earth because they provide oxygen and absorb carbon dioxide. Oceans also help in carbon absorption and balance Earth's temperature. Threats to the environment and pollution, deforestation, and climate change have put the natural environment at great risk. It is our collective responsibility to adopt sustainable practices and green habits. We need to rely on methods like reusing and recycling. Can we preserve our planet in its true form for future generations? This is a question everyone should consider. Our earth, our home, taking care of it is our responsibility. Let's resolve to conserve natural resources and build a green future. Today's discussion ends here, but conversation on this topic must continue. Everyday greenery, everyday green inspiration. With this thought, I bid you farewell. Lastly, my deepest respect to my V.G. Sahib. If you like this video, please like and share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you. If you feel our efforts are succeeding, it's thanks to you. Join us in this sacred mission today. Take a selfie with any plant or tree and WhatsApp it to 9826 220022. Become part of this campaign and join Green Donor in service to Mother Nature.
यदि आपके हृदयांतर में माँ प्रकृति के लिए प्रेम है या इस प्रेम का एहसास चाहते हैं, तो हरितवीर वाहिनी एक सेवा द्वार है। आज ही जुड़े। कॉल 9826 220022।